the nice air conditioning, get you out of the heat of Florida. All right, guys, welcome to 9620 Avalon Woods Drive in Winter Garden. The rundown of this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,937 square feet. You have your formal dining room right over off to the side. This is big enough for a nice long farm style table if you wanted, huge round table if you really wanted to go old school. But not only that, a spillover into the living area that's over here. You do have two different choices of what I would call living spaces. Now this is going to be one of the better choices in my opinion as far as a living room goes, because get a load of this view. Having some nice coffee, sitting down on your imaginary couch in the morning. And I'm actually really impressed that I can do this. I'm not gonna lie. Just having your coffee. Green turkeys go by. I don't know, something like that. But this would definitely be my choice as far as an entertainment space would go. We're going to go ahead and go right over here into the owner suite. As you can see, there's nice, huge vaulted ceilings throughout the entire ridge of the home. So it makes the space feel even bigger than the full square footage that you have. Now the air conditioning unit was just replaced yesterday, so you've got a brand new air conditioning unit in here. So it's a little bit cooler than it was before. But this owner's suite bathroom was just completely remodeled. So you have some really nice, the crowd favorite right now is everything with like an agreeable gray, a white trim, sometimes espresso cabinets such as these here. But marble countertop, stainless steel, that's pretty much like the it factor for a lot of the homes that are really, really popular that sell super fast. So I'm really glad that the owner decided to do this. One of the biggest things I usually tell our sellers is that if you're going to do any renovations, small things can help. You know, just a matter of taking the light fixtures and changing the light fixtures out. You don't realize how big of an impact that makes to the new buyers, because something that small, even you don't have to go as crazy as countertops or cabinets or anything like that, but just small subtle things like that can bring such a bigger value to your buyer, because they're going to see that you took the time to actually update the stuff as opposed to what was just moved in there. Here's another great part. Get a load of how big. I'm 6'1". A load of how big this closet is. I think when we measured it, I believe it was about 9 feet by 7 feet. So at just over 60 square feet, this is huge. You have massive vaulted ceilings. Whether you have your winter coat collector or whatever else it is, dead bodies, you need to stash something, this is the place to do it. Second pass, you didn't catch that wall. Nice work, man, you're learning.
We're getting better.
The owner definitely took pride in making sure that he kept the preservation of the home. Now this leads me into the next entertaining area or living space. A wood burning stove may not be somebody's specific taste for a Florida home. It's over 80 degrees, 90 degrees all the way throughout the year, sure. But whenever that winter time comes, when you have Christmas, when you have Thanksgiving or something like that, think about how cool it would be when you have, 20 or 25 people, socially distanced of course, inside of your home for any type of that gathering. This is going to be a huge accent piece to be able to keep the home a little bit warmer, to where you can open up the windows, let the breeze blow through. You've got a really good crosswind that you could actually do right down the center of the home with these two different windows. Open those two different windows. It's 65 degrees, 7 degrees outside. Super nice. Now, talking about being in the woods, the other great selling point about this home is that it sits on a 5-acre lot that's zoned agricultural. Now, when I say agricultural, what does that mean? There's typically a lot of restrictions when it comes to residential. When it comes to agricultural, this means that you can bring your chickens, your goats, your horses, whatever other type of animals that you'd like, and you can have it here. Going into here, like I was saying earlier, you like to entertain, you like to wine and dine. This is an entertainment style home, the way that it lays out. Make sure I don't hit my head. But you have a really big size open kitchen. Comes here with all stainless steel appliances as well. But we've talked so much about the outside, but you guys haven't seen it. Are you ready? Let's go check out the outside. All right, so here is the grand moment you've all been waiting. Cream de la crop, piece de resistance. The back, I got nothing. I'm sorry, I don't know why. I'm really just doing this to try to make you laugh.
I love it.
Look at this. You can put whatever you want out here. Like you can have a full-blown permaculture garden and literally live off of your own land. Grow your own vegetables, grow your own fruits. You can bring chickens and have fresh eggs every single morning. You have all of these windows in the back part of the home. Now, if you wanted to clear out some of the land, say some of the trees and everything inside of here, put a gigantic pool all the way back here, and you wouldn't even touch to right where I'm standing, which is probably about maybe 50 feet from the back of the home. You still have all of that to go. How nice would it be to tell your kids to get off the iPad and come out and play outside? If you wanted to build a tree fort, if you wanted to build them a whole other house, okay, you probably couldn't, but you get what I'm saying. There are these cool little paths that are kind of cut out just naturally throughout. Now you can come and cut these out here. If you wanted to have some sort of an entertainment for Halloween, you can come and do up all these little spots and create these little trails and have like a little haunted trail for the kids. I'm sure if you convince some of the adults to come in here and say, hey, you want to come and scare some kids for a few hours a night, I'm sure they would be down for it. What I'm saying is that the possibilities are endless out here. All right, guys, well, that concludes our tour of 9620 Avalon Woods Drive over here in Winter Garden. So if this something is a fit for you, feel free to give me a call, 407-452-2632, call or text me. You know, maybe you already have a home and you're wondering, you know, maybe it's the time to sell now. You can go ahead and give me a call. I'll get you a free, no strings attached consultation just to see what your home is worth. And if it makes sense for you to sell it, I would love to be that person for you. No matter what it is in regards to real estate, I would be honored to help you guys out. Feel free to check out my website at trevknowsrealestate.com. That will go ahead and give you a search engine to be able to look for your next home, or to get an idea of what your home is worth. You just click the sellers tab and follow me on all social media, Trev Knows Real Estate, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, where this is going to be posted, but also on TikTok. By the way, I'm hilarious on there. Anything in regards to real estate, I would love to help you guys out. Thank you very much, and we'll see you again in the next video.